take care of you. All I wanna do is take care of you. And all I wanna do.
Hello everyone, this is Anya Gupta of Class 8 and I'll be the reporter for this week for MSPS Campus Chronicles. I'll be showing you the activities that are happening around our school. So stay tuned for a lot more.
The month of August goes to 10th pose. The class teacher and the monitors are requested to come on the stage, please.
An important part of every month's felicitation is the award for the best class, which is given in 3 groups, that is classes 1st to 5th, 6th to 8th and the senior group. This award is given to 8th Bhava. This award is given to 10th Bose. Here I am sharing with you glimpses of the most important event of the month, and that is the allocation of duties to the new monitors for the month. These faces are filled with joy and happiness.
5th Bhava, Shivesh Gupta and Aradhya Vijay Jadhav are the new monitors.
They are all eager to take up new responsibilities
Shivesh Gupta and Aradhya Vijay Jadhav.
and fulfill them with full dedication and discipline. This is class 9th and 10th. They are ready to take up new responsibilities. These are the monitors for the month of September. The student consists of classes 1st to 10th.
All I wanna do.
As we can see that our enthusiastic students are practicing for the Teachers' Day dance on 5th of September. Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Madhavra Sindhya Public School. Today I am sharing with you glimpses of a very important event being organized in our school, that is the Global Education Fair. Our school is not left any stone unturned to match the pace of the world, as we see that our honored guest is invoking the blessings of Ma Saraswati by the lightning of the lamp. As we can see that our principal ma'am is giving an award of honor to our honored
I would like
guests.
to invite the representative of NIIT University, Rajasthan.
As we can see that our principal ma'am is giving an award of honor to our honored guests. In this event, more than 15 prestigious educational institutes have taken part. It will give a chance to our students to plan their career and move towards a bright future.
All I wanna do.
Today, I am catching some special moments of the intra-class English poem recitation for classes 1st and 2nd. The little ones are beaming with joy and happiness. See how lovely these little ones are, full of happiness and confidence. We should definitely applaud their efforts. Special moments of the intra-class English poem recitation for classes 1st and 2nd. Some special moments of the intra-class English poem recitation for classes 1st and 2nd. The little ones are beaming with joy and happiness. Here, I'm giving you a glimpse of the Teachers' Day dance preparation going on in the campus. The talented MSP students are ready to participate with full enthusiasm. Look how beautifully they are flowing with the beats. And are being supervised by their teachers. Teachers' Day is a momentous occasion in which we pause to appreciate the hard work, dedication, and passion that the teachers put in their noble profession. It is a day to recognize their pivotal role in not just individual life but shaping the future of our society. As we can see, the
मैं
students
इच्छा
are role
रखता
playing
हूँ
as
कि मैं आपसे
Dronacharya
धनुर्विद्या
ji and
सीखूं।
Eklavya ji.
बालक, ये संभव नहीं। यह विद्या हम सिर्फ राजपुत्रों को सिखाते हैं। तुम्हारी यहाँ कोई जगह नहीं।
लेकिन गुरुवर,
Showcasing an historic moment. As we can see, the talented students are showing another dance performance. The occasion of Teachers' Day. Look at them, flowing so beautifully in the views. As we can see, students are performing a dance performance, showcasing the role play of a teacher and a student.
चला मैं उनके साथ जादू सा था कुछ उन्होंने किया, मैंने खुद
Bringing
को
their
जैसे
performance
सौंप
to
ही
life.
दिया।
As we can see that the little ones are also practice to perform a really cute performance for the teachers, showing their appreciation to the teachers. Here, the senior students have put up a skit displaying the contribution of the teachers to our lives.
Restaurants for the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration.
As you can see, the little ones are showing their appreciation to the teachers, showing their dance moves to them. Today, as you can see, all have gathered to appreciate and honor the contribution of our teachers, those who light the path of knowledge and wisdom for us.
Hello everyone, continuing the Teachers' Day celebration.
कि जो हम सभी लोगों के लिए हैं, कि जो अटके हैं भूले भटके उनको राह दिखाएंगे, ज्ञान विज्ञान संस्कार सिखा शिक्षा ज्योत जलाएंगे। शिक्षक है हम, शिक्षक है हम, शिक्षा की ज्योति जलाएंगे। देश धर्म और जात पात से हम ऊपर उठ जाएंगे।
MSPS teachers are multi-talented. Let's have a look.
छेड़ूंगी अब से बादल न तो
के देखते हैं, सो उसके शहर में कुछ दिन ठहर के देखते हैं। सुना है रब्त है उसको खराब हालों से, सुना है रब्त है उसको खराब हालों से, सो खुद को बर्बाद करके देखते हैं। सुना है दर्द की गाहक है चश्मे नम उसकी, सो अब भी उसकी गली से गुजर के देखते हैं।
And myself.
A token of appreciation given by respected manager sir to our principal ma'am.
All I wanna do.
Is a very auspicious occasion, which is the Ganesh Chaturthi. As we can see that our principal teacher has just give Ganpati ji a floral tribute. Today, in the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we can see that the little ones have prepared an act.
हो गया और आकाश मार्ग से होता हुआ मंगल लोक में जा गिरा। गणेश की विलाप भरी आवाज सुनकर
historic
पार्वती
moment.
जी स्नान गृह से बाहर आए। जब उन्होंने गणेश का मृत धड़ जमीन पर पड़ा देखा
Look
तो
how
वो
realistic
बहुत
their
दुखी
act
हुई
looks.
और रोते रोते बोली, पुत्र गणेश हे देव।
Today,
इस पर
as we
ब्रह्मा
can
जी
see,
कुछ देर
the little
सोचकर
ones are
बोले,
recreating an historic moment
बालक
in the
गणेश को
occasion of
जीवित
Ganesh
किया जा सकता
Chaturthi.
है। किसी ऐसे बालक का सिर जिसे आपके त्रिशूल से ना काटा गया हो, बालक गणेश के धड़ से जोड़ा जा सकता है।
Look how realistic their act looks.
महादेव, आप अपने गणों
We can see the little ones are recreating an historic moment in the occasion of
पार्वती
Ganesh
गणेश को
Chaturthi.
जीवित देखकर प्रसन्न थी, लेकिन अपने पुत्र के सिर पर हाथी का सिर देखकर थोड़ी निराश भी थी।
आपने मेरे पुत्र को एक हाथी का मस्तक क्यों लगाया? अब सारा संसार मेरे पुत्र
Look how realistic their act
इस पर
looks.
शिव जी ने गणेश को वरदान देते हुए कहा,
आज से कुछ भी शुभ कार्य आरंभ होने से पहले
In the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, the students have performed a beautiful dance performance. Look how beautiful their moves are. As you can see, that our talented MSPS students are performing a beautiful dance performance in the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. As you can see, that today is a really important competition being held in our school. That is Just a Minute. This competition consists of 4 teams: Gautam House, Panini House, Aryabhat House, and Patanjali House. Today is a competition being held in our school, that is Just a Minute. As you can see, there are 4 teams. First is Panini House, second is Gautam. We have a GK quiz going on for classes 6 to 8th. Just like Just a Minute, we have 4 teams: Panini House, Gautam House, Aryabhat House, and Patanjali House. We have a GK quiz going on in our school for 6th to 8th. Just like Just a Minute, we have 4 teams here: Panini House, Gautam House,